Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications of Grubhub. If you want to get pop-up alerts, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. First, open settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps option. Then select Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Now tap on Grubhub app. Scroll down a little and tap on Notifications option. To enable notifications of Grubhub, tap on the toggle button which is right next to Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on notifications of Grubhub. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.